I am taking a payout today. It's going to be about 15 grand. I'd like to just say this for, I guess, the chat and everyone else out there. I am not on Topstep's payroll whatsoever. I am just a random trader that this team happened to find.
This is, for a lot of people that I teach and a lot of people I trade, this is their business, right, Nick? This is what they do for a living, okay?
Oh, yeah.
And there's a shitload of people on Topstep that are doing this for a living. Do you think they around? Pardon my language. I didn't need to say it.
Okay.
Do you think they're screwing around? They have a system and they're sticking to that system. That's how you make this work. It's a job. It's a career. It's like anything else. It's like, you know, I'm gonna go into an operating room tomorrow and start operating on someone's brain. How do you think that's gonna work out? Probably not too well.
Yeah. It seems like the live chat's pretty much up on the day. It doesn't seem like there's anybody saying they got smoked today, so that's good. And that's kind of where I'm sitting. Up on the day, recovered the loss from yesterday on the combine, up on the XFA. So you don't have to swing at every opportunity, everybody. Come back tomorrow, refresh. What is MP says it 5 times in the podcast? Trade for tomorrow, trade for tomorrow, trade for tomorrow. It's so true.
Awesome stuff, guys. The house account and everybody at Topstep, that the payroll will go through next weekend.
Let's go. So you mean my payout's gonna hit? My payout's gonna hit my account? Let's go. My mom would be pissed if my payout didn't hit. I gotta get her a Mother's Day gift, man.
Thank you.
Really quick, Andre, before you wrap, can I just share a really quick anecdote, quick story from somebody in my community? They were on their drive listening to TopstepTV on YouTube here. They're listening to Island Mike. They really enjoyed his segment. They stopped at a rest stop in Kentucky, and there was a guy sitting at a table at an Amish bakery who was trading on their laptop with a 2-slider screen. He was trading on TopstepX. An Amish person trading on TopstepX. Somebody from my community just shared that story with me. Amazing story. MP, your reach is everywhere.
No way. That's insane.
Wow.
The Amish love us, Michael. The Amish love us. My God.